Imagine a frantic Saturday rush. Customers are pouring in, eager to snag that new gadget you just stocked. You ring up sale after sale, feeling a sense of accomplishment. But then disaster strikes. You reach for another unit, only to find an empty shelf staring back. Inventory woes can cripple a business, leading to lost sales and frustrated customers. So, if you're a business owner using Clover as your point-of-sale system, you might be wondering, can Clover be my inventory guardian angel? The answer, like most things in life, is a nuanced "it depends." Let's dive into the world of Clover and inventory management to see if it can keep your stock levels singing. Built-in inventory tracking, a double-edged sword. Clover offers basic inventory tracking functionality. When you add an item to your Clover system, you have the option to enable inventory tracking. This means that whenever a customer buys that item, Clover automatically deducts it from your stock count. Sounds like a dream come true, right? Well, hold on a sec. There are a few limitations to consider. First, enabling inventory tracking is a manual process. You have to go through each item and tick the Track Inventory box. This might be manageable for a small store with a limited product range, but for businesses with hundreds or even thousands of items, it can be a real time suck. Second, Clover's built-in tracking is fairly bare bones. It doesn't offer features like low stock alerts, purchase order generation, or detailed inventory reports. These are functionalities that can be crucial for proactive inventory management. Third-party apps to the rescue. Here's where things get interesting. Clover boasts a robust app marketplace where you can find third-party solutions to address your specific needs. Several inventory management apps integrate seamlessly with Clover, providing a much richer experience. These apps can automate inventory tracking, send low stock notifications, generate purchase orders based on sales data, and even sync your inventory levels across multiple sales channels, like your online store. Finding the right fit. The best approach will depend on the size and complexity of your business. For a small store with a handful of products, Clover's basic tracking might suffice. However, if you have a wider product range or experience frequent stockouts, investing in a third-party inventory management app can be a game changer. Beyond Clover, considering alternatives, it's also worth noting that Clover isn't the only player in the POS game. Other popular systems like Square and Shopify also offer inventory management features. If you're still in the early stages of setting up your business, it might be wise to compare the inventory management functionalities of different POS systems before making a decision. Remember, inventory management is key to success. Regardless of the system you choose, effective inventory management is crucial for any business. By keeping track of your stock levels, you can avoid stockouts, optimize ordering, and ultimately maximize your profits. So, does Clover track inventory? Yes, it can, but with limitations. Consider your needs and explore third-party app integrations, or even compare features of different POS systems before making a call. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.